Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to recover your Google account or your Gmail account without phone number or recovery email needed. The thing you just need here is going to be a random password or try to guess the last password you use, okay? Please take note of that. And if you're using your phone, your tablet, your laptop, again a kindly reminder, please stay on the end of the video because it's literally the same process even though I'm using my desktop right here, and it's the same goes for iOS users if you're using a MacBook. Even though I'm using a Windows server right here or Windows OS, please stay in the video because literally the same process. Now that being said, please open any browser of your choice if you want to use Microsoft Edge, Safari, Mozilla Firefox, or Google Chrome. Now with this one, simply choose Account Support Google Account and then click the very first result right there, Account Support. Now enter the email address or phone number you use to sign in Google. Now enter the email right here where the account that you want to retrieve. For example, I'm just gonna use this email right here, and my dummy email. Give me a second. Okay. Let me check if it's right. Give me a second right here. Let's double check everything. Click on next right there. Now, as you can see now, to continue, first verify it's you. Enter your password. For example, this is the reason, right? For example, we forgot our password. Simply click on try another way. And with that one, it's gonna ask for a phone number, right? Simply put, I don't have my phone right here, and then it will just ask for the last password you remember on your phone. As you can see here, Google will send a verification code to this number, which is actually, I don't have this number anymore, so try either text or call. Now, with this video, I'm gonna teach you without the phone number, right? Simply click on the I don't have my phone right there, and check PowerStart Gmail after 6 hours. A sign-in link will be sent to PowerStartGmail.com in 6 hours. Google will send to verify it's you making this request. If you don't see any email after 6 hours, check your spam or junk folder. That being said, this is a new method, so Google itself will just check itself or check your email with the previous logins, logouts, the previous traffic within your email if it's really you. You're gonna check your IP address and verify if it's you or not, okay? That being said, that's how you recover your Gmail without using any password or phone. Thank you so much for watching, and please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye for now.